The vibrating sieve is crucial, ensuring only the purest grain proceeds to the next stage.
This process converts starch into fermentable sugar for Chivas Regal 12.
We're holding steady at the target temperature.
Excellent. The drying phase is proceeding as planned.
The flow rate is perfect, completely laminar.
Yes, the gravity is stable too. We can begin transferring to the kettle.
The cooled wort is pumped into these towering Oregon pine washbacks, where workers use ultrasonic sensors to monitor the fill levels.
Gravity is currently at 1020. Run the alcohol test now.
Yeah.
8%.
The master distiller operates the spirit-safe valves to select only the heart of the distillation run, the purest part. The new make Chivas Regal, a deep amber gold, is diluted with demineralized spring water to the exact filling strength, usually 63.5% ABV.
We swirl it gently to observe the viscosity. These slow-moving legs are a sign of a well-aged, quality spirit.
The pressure is holding steady right at the limit.
Good. The flow rate is perfect and the clarity is exactly what we need.
The blend is left to marry for several weeks to ensure the flavors harmonize.
Precision flow meters inject the exact amount of pure water, stabilizing the Chivas Regal 12 blend precisely at its target of.
The profile is perfect. It's a precise match to the gold standard.
The bottles are blasted with high-pressure ionized air and a precise measure of whiskey, ensuring every trace of
High-precision applicators ensure a perfect seal every time. The box is then moved to the cooling belt, setting the adhesive instantly.
We need 3 more pallets of the 12-year-old on trailer 4, then we can seal it.
We have a bottleneck forming here, off the coast of Spain.
I see it. Adjust the ETA for the European distribution.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, just the bottle of Chivas.
Chivas Regal, confirmed. That will be $34.50.